So we're going to replace the cabin air filter for my Volvo XC90. This is the one that I got from Rock Auto. It's not charcoal activated, but I think it's way cleaner than my 244,000 mile cabin air filter out there. So first thing we do is take out the screw in here. It's like it's a T25. Yeah, it's a standard size. You need a T25 Torx bit for this. It's a really quick replacement actually to do the cabin air filter. But I think the way they do it is rather more tedious than other cars. Other cars, you just have to open the glove box and then slide off the cabin air filter. You need to squeeze out a little bit so that this could go down. This will just slide off. And one of the pieces put that back in. And there are 4 screws. 1, 2, and then way down there you have to take out. Yeah, they are still T25s. So the one at the back, you need a smaller ratchet to access it there. Use something similar to this. Got all 4 out, and I'm gonna just pull this out. I just cleaned this old one, but it's not it's all teared up. Yeah, this is call that beer brand, Volvo beer peach. Yep, beer. Still very good compared to my Chinese I think this one we need to replace yearly. Yep, you need to replace yearly in this one. So correction of airflow. Yep, airflow. So it should go this way, like this. it's really cheap on Rock Auto. It's like $4, I think. But you pay shipping, so I bought other parts with it, so that I don't have to pay much for one item for shipping. So there it goes. Then you just have to return this. Yeah, this 4 screws at the back is like really hard to see unless you like stretch your body over there deep into this area. But yep, just button this up and we're good to go.